Hello friends, welcome to Instrumentation EEE tutorials, and this is our fourth part of how to read piping and instrumentation diagram. If you are working in any refinery or any oil and gas sector or any power plant, then you have heard about the P&ID diagram. So this is our fourth part where we will talk about the insulation and tracing types and general abbreviation which is generally used. For example, this is the TT, this is the TT, and there are some others also small terms are used. So we will cover everything that is generally used in P&ID. So stay with us, and also if you are new in our YouTube channel, then please subscribe the YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we will upload any video, you will get notification. Now let us start. So in this video, we will talk about the insulation and tracing type and general abbreviations. This is our content. Now the first, we will talk about the insulation and the tracing type. So what is the meaning of insulation and tracing type? Generally, when your line is available in your industry and then some fluid is going through this line, but due to the atmospheric condition, the temperature of your line will vary. But where the line is connected through any equipment, where you need to maintain the temperature 85 degree, but when your fluid is passing through this line and due to atmospheric condition, your temperature will be reduced. So to maintain the temperature of that fluid that is flowing through this line, we require the insulations. It will not stop total decreasing of the temperature, but yes, it will maintain at a certain level. So this is the use of the insulation. Now, what is the meaning of the IH, IC, ISI, and IT? These type of generally insulations terms are used in a P&ID. So if the IH is written, this is the meaning of the hot insulations. Hot insulations means it will maintain the highest temperature. IC is the cold insulations. This is the cold insulations. So whenever you seen in any P&ID and if IC is written, then this is the meaning of the cold insulation. IS is the safety insulation. So some process line is also requires safety insulation. So safety insulation is also very important, and in a safety insulation, it is generally used whenever your line have some explosive fluid, and if it will come out from that line, then if any spark is available or is any spark generator source is available, then there may be region of the explosion. So this is the safety insulation. Now the IE is electrically insulated, also line electrically insulation. So this is the meaning of the IE. IT is the steam trace. Some steam tracing is also available for maintaining the temperature of the fluid. So these are the insulation and the tracing type which is generally used in P&ID in a process. And now next our part is general abbreviation. So these are the abbreviation are also used and also in your P&ID. So ATM is generally atmosphere. So this is the atmosphere. Some line are directly open to atmosphere, so here written ATM, simply meaning the atmosphere. BL is the battery limit. Okay, and then FC is the fail closed. So where it is written in a control valve, when you have seen this is the control valve, and if the FC is written, then it is the fail closed. And FL is the fail locked, means if it is failed, then it will lock its position. FO is the fail open. So this is the fail open. LC is the lock close. So whenever the fail condition will occur, it will lock close. HLL is simply meaning high liquid level. High liquid level. It is actually written on LT transmitter. Low liquid level, it is also written on level transmitter. ISPL inside battery limit. What is the battery limit? We have seen the battery limit. Battery limit, what is the battery limit? This is the battery limit where all the streams are coming to unit, and when all the product is going from the unit. So this is the battery limit. When we talk about this is our unit. When we talk about from this battery limit to our unit, this is called the inside battery limit, and this is outside battery limit. So, and this is battery limit. So this is the meaning of the battery limit, inside battery limit, outside battery limit. Okay, we will see outside battery limit also in our next our PPT. MOV, motor operated valve. Motor operated valve. We have seen the symbol of the motor operated valve in our last lecture. Motor operated valve. NCNO also we have seen normally open, okay, and normally close. Normally open and normally close. So this is the meaning of the all the abbreviations. Now we have seen outside battery limit, okay, and what is the meaning of the battery outside battery limit we have seen in our last page. So, and PB is push button, okay, push button generally used to stop the valve, to stop the any pump, etc. And oily water sewer, this is the oily water sewer. Tight shut off, TSO is the tight shut off, which is generally used for control valve where we require the tight shut off so that any passing problem may not occur. FMR is, this is although the field manual reset. It is generally used for SOB, field manual reset. So why it is written? Sometime if there is any we need to require the reset the SOB so that the valve may be open or may be closed. So the field manual reset, and this is the control panel manual reset. Control panel manual reset. So these are the abbreviations generally used, and this is our fourth part we have completed. In a 5 part we will see some identification letters and functional block and functional designation. This is also very important part. When you have any doubt regarding our fourth part, you can comment us. And also thank you very much for watching this video, and also like this video and press the bell icon. And once again, thank you very much for watching this video.